Whether you're looking for your first home or your fifth, this one deserves a look. Home isn't just about bedrooms and bathrooms, it's about how it feels when you walk through the door. Does this one feel like home? Maybe this is where your next chapter begins. Beyond the home itself, Lakeview Preserve offers the lifestyle so many buyers are looking for. A gated community with a resort-style pool, splash pad, fitness center, playground, and even access to beautiful Johns Lake with a fishing dock and kayak launch.